as I told you earlier, on 22nd April, there was a terrorist attack on our country. The place was Pahalgam, where some 27 tourists were killed by terrorists. And India promised for a retaliation. And today night at 1:40, India attacked Pakistan at 9 places and destroyed all their terrorist camp in one shot. All the terrorist camps which was operated from POK and Pakistan has been destroyed. And the name of this operation is given Operation Sindoor. Can you imagine why the name is given as Operation Sindoor? Any one of you?
Indus River.
Anyone? Operation Sindoor. Yes.
Because there river Indus there. That
Okay. Yes. Anyone else from the girl side? Yes, Janvi.
Sir, because in Pahalgam attack, the terrorists killed only the men and not the women. So the wives asked to kill them also, but the terrorists denied. So they were widowed because of the terrorist attack. So the operation is called Operation Sindoor for the women.
Okay, got the point? Because the terrorists killed only male. They have not killed any female. And once there was a lady whose husband was killed. So she told the terrorist, kill me also. And terrorist didn't kill her and told her, go and inform to your PM. And usko indicate kiya that I have wipe out your sindoor. Sindoor is the symbol of married women in our country. So they tried to wipe out the sindoor from the forehead of ladies. So Indian Armed Forces given the name Operation Sindoor. Let us see the retaliation of our country. So बच्चों, be proud that we are Indians, and yes, India never gone for offense. आक्रमण के लिए हम कभी पहले नहीं गए. But after 1971, this is the first time India has given such a huge retaliation to the Pakistan. Now wait for the another move. The things may escalate. आगे बढ़ सकती है. So for that we must be ready. You and I, we all as Indians have to be ready in this regard. Now, already as I told you yesterday, that today we are going to conduct our mock drills. How to save ourselves in case of any such strike, emergency or any type of natural disaster also. What are the precautions? How we are going to handle ourselves? That today at 11:30 we are going to that also. You should know what type of role you can play in such scenario. What is the role of each individual as a countryman, as an Indian, as a citizen of India? What is your role that you must know? For that, today we will conduct exercise at 11:30 for the management of such type of things. How we can save ourselves, our property and our other things. So we will conduct our exercise by 11:30. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, how is your Josh?
Hi, sir.
How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
आवाज थोड़ा जाना चाहिए, कम से कम पाकिस्तान तक तो पीओके तक पहुंचना चाहिए ना. How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Yes, that's have to be maintained by cadets, because you are the future officers, future defenders of Bharat. The country is in your hands. We did our duty, still we are ready to go to border if required. Already we have submitted the application, including me also. So we have to maintain the dignity of our country, dignity of each and every individual, each and every citizen of our country. Thank you, gentlemen. All the best. We'll meet you at 11:30. Thank you.